Hey Mac users, welcome to Macube Official. If you're a Mac user like me, you know how important it is to keep your machine running smoothly. Applications taking forever to open, running out of space for that cat video collection, we've all been there. Fear not, a cluttered Mac can slow down your productivity and cause unnecessary stress. Today I'm diving into increasing the Mac speed by freeing up disk space. Let's get started. First up, what happens if you don't clean up your Mac's disk storage? Well, not cleaning up your Mac's disk storage can lead to slower system performance, more frequent crashes, and issues with applications running properly. It can also prevent you from installing important macOS updates, which are crucial for security and stability. Additionally, if your Mac has an SSD, keeping it full can shorten the drive's lifespan due to increased wear and tear. Regular disk cleanup is essential for maintaining optimal performance and longevity of your Mac. Now let's talk about how to lighten that load. How to free up space on Mac. Use Macube. This is a handy tool designed specifically for Macs. Macube is a comprehensive cleaning tool for Mac that helps you quickly free up space. It's designed to locate and clear out all types of unnecessary files, such as caches, large and old files, and duplicate files with just a few clicks. Macube stands out by integrating several cleaning functions into one app, eliminating the need for multiple tools. To use Macube, start by downloading and installing it from the official website. Launch the Macube Cleaner. Look for the Smart Scan option and select it. Click on the Smart Scan button to begin the scanning process. Macube Cleaner will start searching for junk files, system caches, app caches, user logs, system logs, and more. After the scan is complete, you'll be presented with a list of files that Macube Cleaner has identified as unnecessary. Click on the Clean button once you've confirmed the files to be deleted. Delete iOS files and Apple device backups by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock to open a new Finder window. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to your Mac. In the Finder sidebar, select your device under the Locations section. Click on the General tab and then click on Manage Backups to see a list of your backups. Right-click on the backup you want to delete and choose Delete. It's better to be safe than sorry. Uninstall the unneeded apps by opening the Finder and navigating to the Applications folder, or using Spotlight to search for the app you want to uninstall. Drag the app to the trash, or select the app and press Command plus Delete to move it directly to the trash. To permanently delete the app and recover disk space, right-click on the trash icon and select Empty Trash. Maintain a good state of disk after cleaning by keeping your disk in good shape through regular checks. Periodically check your storage usage to identify and remove unnecessary files. Utilize macOS's built-in tools to optimize storage, such as storing files in iCloud and keeping only recent files on your Mac when space is needed. Uninstall apps you no longer use and delete old files that are no longer necessary. Set your Mac to automatically empty the trash and remove watched Apple TV movies and shows. Use Disk Utility to verify and repair your storage disk regularly to prevent and fix issues. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.